Hi, Nick here from Rustic Deco Incorporated to explain a couple of the features of our line of Crescent table bases. I have the desk version here with me today, but these features are present on our bench and dining table models as well. The cogwheel located on each end of the table can be used to adjust the table up and down. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions regarding our line of Crescent table bases, feel free to give us a call at 865-357-3876, or feel free to shoot us an email at customer.care@rusticdeco.com. Thank you.